Hello guys, how are you? This is English for 11th grade BTP Computing and Finances. Welcome. Please remember to always wear a mask, and wash your hands at every moment. Today we're going to study gerunds, and the objective of the class is use the gerund form in real sentences. The gerund is a verb form that functions as a noun. A gerund always ends in ing. For example, playing video games is my favorite hobby. Entonces, si notamos, todos los gerundios van a terminar en ing, like playing, going, dancing, jumping, drinking, swimming, studying, watching, using, alright? Necesitamos agregarle ing al verbo para que sea gerundio. Y recuerden lo que dice arriba, que es una forma verbal que funciona como un sustantivo. En este caso no vamos a traducir playing como jugando videojuegos, es mi pasatiempo favorito. No, en este caso vamos a traducirlo como jugar. El jugar videojuegos es mi pasatiempo favorito. Playing video games is my favorite hobby. When to use the gerund? ¿Cuándo se debe usar el gerundio? As a subject and at the beginning of a sentence. Esa es la primera manera. Al inicio de una oración como sujeto. Writing in English is difficult. Writing in English is difficult. ¿Ok? Entonces sería como la escritura en inglés es difícil o escribir en inglés es difícil. Writing in English is difficult. Swimming is an exciting sport. ¿Ok? Swimming is an exciting sport. Ya, entonces ahí traducimos como swimming, como decir la natación, la escritura, writing. Ok. Otra manera de usar el gerund es como un objeto directo, as a direct object. Y también después de los verbos like, enjoy, stop, hate, suggest, lleva una T aquí al final. Sorry. My mistake is suggest. And love. Repito, después de los verbos like, enjoy, stop, hate, suggest, and love. For example, I like visiting my grandma. I like visiting my grandma. Miren, después de like podemos usar el gerundio. We enjoy going to the museums. We enjoy going to the museums. Good. Otra tercera manera de usarlo es después de ciertas expresiones. For example, I hate riding horses. I hate riding horses. Let's go dancing this weekend. Let's go dancing this weekend. Alright, so here we're going to practice. We're going to complete the sentences and we need to use the gerund form, okay? He is interested in, what is the correct gerund that goes here? He is interested in making new friends. Making new friends. He is interested in making new friends. Next, my uncle is afraid of going to Bay Islands by plane. My uncle is afraid of going to Bay Islands by plane. Next, Gina hates, what is the correct gerund? Riding horses. Gina hates riding horses. Next, Dan is happy about planting in the yard. Dan is happy about planting in the yard. Good. Okay, let's complete it. We need a gerund form here. She enjoys painting. Ella disfruta La pintura, el pintar. She enjoys painting. You have to pay attention to the picture. Tiene que ponerle atención al dibujo porque el dibujo le va a decir el gerundio que necesitamos para completar la oración, alright? Pay attention to the picture. Pay attention to the picture. Are you good at dancing? Good. Are you good at dancing? ¿Eres bueno para bailar? ¿O son ustedes buenos para bailar? Are you good at dancing? Okay. Next. Pay attention to the picture, please. Paris is so exciting. What is it, Jerome? Visiting. Visiting Paris is so exciting. Visitar París es muy emocionante. Next. Pay attention to the picture. I hate listening reggaeton. I hate listening reggaeton. I hate it. Detesto escuchar reggaeton. I hate listening reggaeton. Alright. So, what do you think it is the correct gerund that goes here? Stop. Stop speaking, please. Deja de hablar, por favor. Stop speaking, please. Stop speaking. Stop speaking, please. Good. Okay, look at the girl. What is she doing? I suggest eating in that Italian restaurant. Sugiero comer en ese restaurante italiano. I suggest eating in that Italian restaurant. ¿Se fijaron? Suggest, ese era uno de los verbos que estaba escrito allá, solo que aquí ya va correctamente con la T. Suggest. Alright, guys, this is it for today. Thank you very much. Please send me the homework. Goodbye.